Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to cover is the new ProStructures Connect workflow. aSa has streamlined the new layout to make detailing fast and efficient. The ribbon bar is laid out across the top of Connect. This is going to allow access to all areas of Connect and aSa. From the File pull-down, you have access to things like System, File Configuration, and User Preferences. Under Settings, Preferences, Operation, things like opening 2 application windows, or even up to 4 in the new version, which is supported, can be turned on or off. Toolboxes is available here, so if you launch this, the dialog will open so you could toggle on toolboxes that you wish to dock, as well as function keys and keyboard shortcuts. Print options are also available here. The user could set up a print style for a print organizer to make batch printing drawings easier, so multiple title blocks inside a design file can be selected for PDF creation and also merged to one PDF file. The Quick Access Toolbar. This allows access to quickly switch your active level, undo, redo, print, and it's also customizable. So tools that you may or may not use, like save settings or save, if you want to toggle a tool on or off, if you click on this set of pull-down arrows, you could turn those on or off here, as well as customizing the Quick Access Toolbar to turning on more options and showing below the ribbon or above the ribbon. Minimizing the toolbar is also available here. Minimize the ribbon. It's going to minimize that whole standard ribbon. And you could restore it also from that pull down. There's also a minimize in the top right corner to minimize or expand depending on what is already done with it. The workflow area in the top left corner. If we click on this, we have different workflows. Drawing is the standard set of MicroStation defaults. Notice in a workflow, there's multiple tabs. Each tab has different tool groupings. Annotate has text tools, dimensioning tools. Notice that each group has like tools in that group. The workflows are made to make detailing easier. By switching from drawing to general, users coming from AutoCAD are more familiar with the tool set. Notice that copy parallel, a MicroStation tool, now says offset, just like AutoCAD. Explode instead of drop. The aSa workflow will allow us to access all of our detailing tools, as well as different tools like XREF tools, copy graphic, and customized aSa tools. aSa applications, job drawing tools and settings, and support tools to even launch Remote Connect. In the top right corner, the search ribbon will allow users to find tools that they no longer know where they are in the new version. Typing a keyword, say you're searching for the aSa gridline tool. Just typing grid will bring that up so I could quickly launch that. Title block, quickly access that by searching. Keyboard shortcuts have been added. There's several ways to do one thing inside of MicroStation or aSa. The user's preferences control how you use them. A preference of mine is to leave my workflow set to aSa, which gives me all of my aSa tools, and I like to access all of my MicroStation tools from my keyboard shortcuts. One spacebar click brings up our menu for all of our menus to launch from this keyboard shortcut. The pop-ups are the standard MicroStation tools. The top row of tools is a parent toolbar. So by launching the placement tools, I get the entire placement grouping right at my cursor. So I can go to the block command or place circle right from here. I don't need to spacebar one time and then select pop-ups. To launch those pop-ups, aSa's made a quick key to double click or push that spacebar 2 times, 1, 2, to automatically launch those pop-ups. So I can quickly access all of those MicroStation tools with 2 spacebar clicks. One spacebar click, and I can access any other set of tools. aSa main gives us our detailing tools. aSa tools gives us a different set of aSa tools: title block, grid lines, section cuts, global change. So everything is accessible right at your cursor with a spacebar click for our new keyboard shortcuts. The last little tip is just a little time saver. Switching or matching levels, instead of having to find the MicroStation tool to do that, if you hold down your Alt and left click on anything on your drawing, notice it sets your active level. So I could quickly set my level to concrete. I'm holding down Alt on my keyboard with a left click. It sets that active level to whatever I click on.